Okay, so let's get these salmon steaks, as you can see they're beauties, nice and thick, ready for the barbecue. And it's very simple, the process I'm going to do. We're going to add a lot of garlic. I've got like 3 or 4 teaspoons of chopped garlic there, roughly chopped. I'm going to add to that some salt, some black pepper, and as you can see next to that, I've got a couple of cups here of lemon juice. Lots of lemon juice for this one. Let's just move them around in there. Now what we're going to do, we're going to plastic wrap these or shrink wrap these, whatever you call it. Get this in the fridge and let that lemon juice really do its thing. So I'm gonna, they're going to be in my refrigerator overnight, but you want to leave it for at least 2 hours. And then tomorrow we're going to pop those onto the barbecue and they're going to be absolutely wonderful. Okay, so that was overnight. As you can see, that lemon juice has virtually cooked this salmon. It's kind of in a kind of gravlax kind of way. It's really got right in there. It's been in the fridge a long time, like literally overnight, so sort of 8 or 9 hours. And we're outside, as you may be able to hear, and we're going to get that on the barbecue and cook it. We're only going to cook it for like sort of 4 to 5 minutes aside. As always, like I always say with barbecue, keep your coal or your flames low and slow. Okay, there you go, presented on a plate, looking beautiful, tons of lemon in there, really easy, absolutely wonderful. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.